Yeah, we need to get one with the bearing in it.
Yeah.
Because that's
Not going to do us a lot.
yeah, that's not gonna help us a lot. Whatever.
Okay, you ready to see if the pedal works?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's working!
Woo! But yeah, definitely need to change that gear though.
Oh yeah.
That's not the right gear for this. That's why, but that's okay.
Oh, it's dead.
Really? It's not dead. There's no way it's dead. Try again. Hang on, stop. Something's...
Damn.
Yeah. Try again. It's that gear. Definitely have to replace that gear before you go driving down the road.
A few moments later.
So...
We've got our first little...
Testing with a DeWalt battery.
Ready? Is there any cars coming?
No.
Alright,
You're good.
I'm coming.
Sweet! Was that full throttle? Oh, chain came off.
Wow.